What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hands-on review of high-performance RC components sent by T-Motor. We have the AT4120 brushless motor, the AT115A 115A ESC, and the T-Motor 18x8 carbon fiber propeller. We'll be going over the specs, build quality, and real-world testing of the motor and prop to see what it's all about. First up, we have the T-Motor AT4120, which is a 560kv brushless motor for 14 to 16 inches props on 6L. This motor is built for higher efficiency and power, making it a great choice for large-scale planes, quads, multicopters, and FPV platforms, and by looks and feels, I could tell this motor is built to last. Its precision-cut CNC machined aluminum housing gives it a durable and premium feel as well. The bearings feel very smooth and it has arc magnets, which according to T-Motor increases motor performance by more than 5% in relation to the traditional magnets used in a brushless motor. By the specification sheets and diagrams, it has a 50 by 45 millimeters rotor size and weighs about 300 grams excluding the motor mount plate, nuts, and bolts. Its compatible propellers are aimed at 14 to 15 inches on 6L, but I'll be flying with larger propellers to see what happens. According to the datasheet, its peak thrust with a 14 by 7 on 6L is 4.9 kilograms at 59 amps and roughly 5.5 kilograms at 76 amps with a 15 by 8. According to ChatGPT, with the use of the test data, I asked what the peak thrust and amps would be with the 2 and 3 blade 17x6 propellers and the 18x8 carbon fiber prop. We all know that ChatGPT could be off by large margins and factors, so I'd have to really test this by myself out someday because I don't have a thrust measuring setup and mounted it to its test plane already. The AT115A ESC that came along too is made for high power demands of fixed wing and multi-rotor UAVs requiring precise throttle response and power management. Its other key features are high current capability supporting a continuous current of 115 amps with 120 amps peak and surge protection, and with that, efficient heat dissipation technology around the body of the ESC to prevent thermal buildup, enhancing durability and operational lifespan. It also has a wide voltage input range of 6 to 14 cell battery setups as well as 2 BEC outputs ranging from 5.2 to 7.4 volts at 10 and 25 amps. This ESC will be in good use for my follow-up of a high-speed FPV racer, which will have a larger prop and thus ask for a bigger ESC. The 18x8 propeller, crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, feels incredibly smooth along with its superior strength while maintaining a lightweight profile. The 18x8 prop configuration, which has a relatively shallow pitch in relation to its diameter, would be for good use on high lift and slow flight fixed wing applications, like heavy fixed wing UAVs on rough and unusable fields to take off within the shortest roll and have excellent climb performance too. So I've built a new fixed wing UAV which I'll be introducing in its entirety on the channel soon, but instead of using the Surpass Hobby 50-55 size 600kv motor, which is the primary option, I'll be using the T-Motor AT4120 along with the 17x6 2 and 3 blade propellers and the 18x8. So thank you T-Motor for sending me these RC components which come in very handy for my builds, and you guys for watching. Please leave a like to support the video and consider to subscribe to the channel as well to stay tuned for the next video.
Gonna be like 50% throttle to get out of the low altitude zone. Now the performance with the 3-blade is definitely noticeable compared to the 2-blade. Pitch and diameter is the same, only I got an extra blade to it, but that already is a huge difference. Well, that counts. That was nice and soft. Nope. I think the sensor is not connected. Woo! Now we got the 18x8 carbon fiber prop. Let's see how that performs. Easy. This is cool, man. That is so quiet and slow. Hey man, touch and goes with this is fun. It is more fun than you would see on video. Could you believe this plane is plus 3 kg? Look at that. One thing very noticeable is the sound. It's incredibly quiet compared to the wooden props that I've used before. That is, I think, the slowest I've gone with this plane in the air. That was like 5 kph or so. 23.8. Yeah, that was the ugliest so far. Yeah, it got power when needed. That's for sure. That's crazy. Yeah guys, so that's the 18x8 carbon fiber prop on the 4120 size motor from T-Motor. Excellent performance.